WaterWeld is a moldable epoxy putty stick formulated to plug, seal, and patch holes, cracks, and leaks, and is ideal for plumbing, marine, and household repairs. Using WaterWeld is easy. Make sure water is not actively leaking from the area to be repaired. For the best adhesion, roughen the surface of the repair area with a file or coarse sandpaper. Then make sure the surface you will be applying it to is clean, dry, and free from grease or oil. Next, wearing rubber gloves, simply cut or break off the amount needed for the repair. And knead the putty until the gray inner putty mixes fully with the white outer putty. To apply, firmly press the putty onto the repair in the desired manner. For holes and leaks on pipes, we recommend firmly pressing the putty all the way around the pipe for the best results. WaterWeld sets in 25 minutes, cures in 1 hour, and is fully waterproof. So when it drips, leaks, or sprays, save the day with WaterWeld.
J-B Weld, world's strongest bond.